slowly with me. Sir, please sit here. Thanks a lot, dear. You are welcome, sir. What can I do for you, sir? Can you give me your menu book for order? What do you mean? How you can see the menu book? Just joking, dear.